everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something exciting for you guys. As always, we know summer is finally here, which means wardrobe update, and we're super excited. And I know some of us are probably able to even travel, so we're on vacation mode. We're on making up mode for the year that we weren't able to do the things that we wanted to. Well, now we can, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things that I got from Zara and Mango because we can, and because I'm on vacation mode, in my mind at least, or at least my closet is on vacation mode. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the pieces that I got from Mango and Zara, two of my favorite stores, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is this POPLIN shirt. It's white. I like it because it's very clean to look at, especially if you have a red lip like I have on right now, or any lip color really. It's just really nice to look at. Anyway, I like this shirt because of the V sleeves. I'm really liking that style, that trend right now. And I even like it because it's a crop top, which is great for anything. Anyway, I'm not gonna say more. I'm gonna let the dress shirt speak for itself. I really like it, and I think it's great for summer. In the spirit of crop tops and crop anything, because summer is here, I love crop tops. I got this crop jacket. I really had no reason to get it, to be honest. I just really liked the color, and I really liked the crop because it's loose, and at the same time, it just adds to your outfit. You can be wearing something completely basic, whatever, jeans, shorts, skirt, or even just a sports bra underneath, or a bandeau, or anything really, and this jacket will just elevate your outfit to the next level. That's why I got it. Another thing I really like about this jacket is the neck. So it is a high neck. You can zip it up to make it that way, or you even have the option to make it an open collar, which I like. So it can change your look depending on the neck as well. I know that sounds weird, but you'll see in this clip, when you bring it up, it has a brown color, and then when you leave it open, it's blue, which is really cool. So I like that. You can change it, you can play with it, and I have nothing more to say. I really like this jacket. Oh, also it's rain proof. It's water repellent, so I'm just gonna call it rain proof. Although it is short, yes, I get that, but at least the top part where your jacket is covering you will be dry should it rain. And third thing I got, again in the spirit of summer and beaches, I don't know why, knitwear is just coming to mind, and I really like this one from Zara because of the color, and I do like the pattern. I like the design on it. It's very basic, it's very simple, but that's how I like it, because underneath or the bottoms that you choose to go with it, it just, how do you put this? It just looks chic and effortless, and I'm all about that. So I really like it. You can even wear your bathing suit underneath and it will still look cute because you can see through it, but it's like a peekaboo effect instead of like a see-through effect, and I like that. Okay, last thing I got from Zara is this skirt, which I'm loving because of the fit and just how it makes your body look, the shape. I really like the front knot. It's fixed, it's there. You can't really adjust it. There is a zipper at the back. I would say that it is a little bit stretchy, so there is room to adjust. It's not super tight or anything like that, but I really like it. I just love the cut. I love the knot effect in the front, and it's just really flattering. I like the color as well. It does come in blue, but I got this color because you can really put it with anything. Anyway, I love the shape. Also, the length is good. I am 5'2", and I struggle to find midi skirts that fit just right in terms of length. This one, it's not too bad. I wouldn't say it's exactly where I want it to be. It's above my ankles, which is good. And I do think that maybe it could have been just a little bit shorter, but it's really not a big deal. And we're moving to the pieces that I got from Mango. I only got 2 pieces, but they're really, really good pieces, in my opinion. I really like them. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this top that I got. Again, it's a knit top and it's handmade. That's what it says on the site. I really like the pattern. It's just, I'm really loving knitwear right now, especially tops like these where you can just see the pattern and you can see the tender love and care. That's how I feel like when I see this top. And it's like, you know, one of those tops that like mom gave you and then you just make it fashionable. I really like it. So it does touch my heart looking at this piece. It does remind me of something that my mom would give me to wear even when I was young. We were talking about it actually when I showed her the piece that I got from Mango. Just like, you know, this was back in my time. This is something that I even used to give you to wear when you were young. And so it's nostalgic in that sense. Last thing I got, and probably my favorite piece, because it's a dress, and you guys know how much I love dresses, especially in the summer. It's perfect because you really don't have to think about your outfit, and it's just perfect for the weather, perfect if you don't want to think, perfect if you want to look elegant. Anyway, this dress, okay, when I was looking at it, I was a little bit worried because I've never gotten a dress of this cut or even a dress from Mango. One of my biggest worries is always the length of the dress and how it sits on me. So when I look at models, for example, I know that they're tall, and so I get worried and think, oh no, is it something that I'm gonna use more as a broom than a dress? But the good news is it's not actually as long as I thought it was gonna be. But I also have to say that I was worried about how it was gonna sit on my body because they didn't have the same size range that they usually have when I'm picking pieces from Mango. So normally for a dress size, I would go for size 2, but they didn't have size 2 available. So I got the size 4. So I was worried, but I got it and I'm super happy about it. Now, the reason that it worked is because there are strings to the side that you can use to adjust and tighten the dress to your liking. So I love that. There is also the strings at the back, so you can also adjust the bust area. Again, another worry of mine because I'm really small in general up top. So I never know how things sit, especially for dresses like this. I really like the material. I would say that this dress is probably one of the most expensive dresses I've ever purchased, but I did get this at the 30% sale. But I would say that it is worth it because of the material, because of the cut, and because it's just so adjustable. It looks like it was tailored to your body. I think my only complaint, if I had to really look for a complaint, would be the sleeves, because that's the part that you can't really adjust. Even the parts where your arm goes through, it is garter over there, but it's like, for me, it's still loose on that part. So if I wanted to bring it up and just have it stay up, it doesn't do that. That would be my only complaint, but that's just me being petty and being really picky. I still really love the dress. I can see myself in the beach already in this dress. I already have it in mind. So even though I can't really travel right now, this dress just brings me to a beach. Just looking at this dress and being in this dress, I feel like I'm in the beach. I'm on vacation. But take a look at the back and just take a look at the skirt. It's just so flowy and it doesn't feel cheap. I feel like with dresses, especially flowy ones, they're really hard to find. One at an affordable price and one that doesn't feel like it can rip at any second. I know sometimes with dresses like these, it's like we have to pick our poison. Either you don't want your dress to break or you don't want your bank to break. So it's one of those two. But I can say that with this dress, it's a happy balance between the two, where you don't necessarily have to break the bank And at the same time, you don't have to worry about your dress breaking. I like it. And that was it. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys got some ideas to be on vacation mode. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below some of the pieces or some of the trends that you guys are liking for this summer. I would love to know about them. I would even love to check them out myself. And yeah, if you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where I post lots of fun things and updates and outfit inspirations, and probably where I'm even going to be putting some of my vacation mode outfit inspirations. I'm going to be doing that soon, so go ahead and be on the lookout for that. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.